This muscle right here is very large. That muscle is called my master. It's on both sides, but I would have to cut this one out too, and I'm not going to do that. So this is my master. Once I found the master, I find these two muscles right here that goes toward the angle of the jaw. Those are digastric. Then you'll notice that we have this muscle that goes across. Mylohyoid. Then we see that there's a small muscle, Mr. Gilmore. Right? You see there's a smaller muscle. We get to call him a what? Stylohyoid. Once we find that stylohyoid, we rocking and rolling. We can go to the next stage. The next stage of muscle you're going to notice there's a muscle that's going to be more midline. But this muscle right here that's more thin, its term is sternomastoid. The one that's mostly thick, his name is cleidomastoid. So sternomastoid is going to be more midline, cleidomastoid is going to be more lateral. You see that? When I get done with that, Mr. Gilmore, I can retract and open. And so we can really get down into this. The first thing I need to do is identify this muscle. I'm going from the sternum to the hyoid. So this fellow right here is called sternohyoid. But if I wanted to look at the muscle that's right underneath it, which is this muscle, it doesn't go as far up, Mr. Gilmore. He stops at the thyroid, so we're going to call him sternothyroid. If that much is true, we got this other little muscle right adjacent to him, Mr. Gilmore. His name is thyrohyoid. So do that again. The one that's over top of these muscles. His name is sternohyoid. But when I retract him and look at the ones from the side, this one is sternothyroid, and this smaller muscle on the side is called thyrohyoid. So Mr. Gilmore, what happens if you open them up? You see this muscle in the middle, right around the larynx. His name is cricothyroid. Very easily. I'm on top of him now. And so once I open him up, you'll see that this cute thing right here is called what? Trachea. Trachea. Now, as we migrate up, I retract this cute thing called what? Mylohyoid. As I retract it, you'll notice there's a muscle in the midline going straight up. His name is geniohyoid. If that's the geniohyoid, Mr. Gilmore, what's this fellow going to the side while I see a nerve going inside of it? Hyoglossus. The way I know it is because I can see this cranial nerve 12, hypoglossal nerve going inside of it. That's my indicator. You see that white? Can you all see that? There's this little white nerve going inside of it. You see it? That gives us the throat.